Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 18th, 2022. Tanzania, Burundi signed multi-million dollar SGR deal. This article is taken from The Citizen. Tanzania on Sunday signed a multi-million dollar deal with neighboring Burundi to build a standard gauge railway, SGR, linking Gitega to the Indian Ocean. The planned 282-kilometer, 175-mile SGR railway line will run from Uvinza in Tanzania's Kigoma region to Gitega in Burundi. Today, Professor Makame Barawa and we signed a bilateral agreement with the government of Burundi to build a standard gauge railway, SGR, from Uvinza, Tanzania to Gitega, Burundi, said Wigulu Nchemba, Tanzania's Minister of Finance and Planning. Without revealing how much the project would cost, Wigulu said the two countries have agreed to jointly finance the project. We have agreed with my counterpart, Minister of Finance in Burundi, to look for areas we can get funded to jointly finance the project, adds Wigulu. The SGR project is intended to link the Dar es Salaam port to landlocked neighboring countries of Rwanda and Uganda, and through these two to Burundi and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Once complete, it is hoped that the new railway will replace the old meter gauge railway system, reduce road congestion, and decrease freight costs by 40%. So it's good news coming out of Burundi and Tanzania. Tanzania is well on its way to becoming the main port of East Africa for various reasons, and this is only one more of them.